Jimmy. How's it going? Did you have a fun weekend?
Hey, Taylor. Oh, yes. Kinda crazy, actually. I tried baking cookies, and they turned into a kind of weird science experiment.
That's hilarious. Well, welcome back to English Every Day, everyone. I'm Taylor, and today we're talking about something everyone struggles with, speaking English comfortably.
And I'm Jimmy. Yep, sometimes I understand English just fine, but speaking it, totally different story.
Exactly. Listening and reading feel easier because there's no pressure to respond. But speaking, our brain sometimes just freezes.
Frozen, like my cookies. Last weekend.
That's a perfect image. So, why do you think speaking is so hard for many people?
Fear. People are scared of making mistakes. Like last week, I wanted to order coffee, but I froze and said, I want the hot brown drink instead of coffee.
That's exactly it. Mistakes are scary but normal. People worry about wrong words, bad pronunciation.
And then silence. Just nothing comes out. I've been there so many times.
Totally. Another big reason is lack of practice. You can study grammar and vocabulary, but if you don't speak every day, your brain won't get used to forming sentences fast.
Yep. Sometimes I try to translate word by word from my language. Slows me down. Like yesterday, how do I say this in English? And I just forget the word.
Exactly. And don't be embarrassed. Everyone makes mistakes. Laughing at yourself actually helps reduce stress.
True. Another problem is shyness. My first English class, teacher asked me a question. I froze. Couldn't say a word.
That happens to everyone. The important thing is keep trying. Even nonsense words are practice.
Yeah. Sometimes I try, forget words, then laugh at myself, and suddenly it's easier to keep talking.
Right. Humor helps. And another factor, fast speech. Native speakers can talk fast. It can be overwhelming.
Oh, yes. Panic mode. Sometimes I try to speak fast too, make mistakes, feel embarrassed, and stop talking.
Slow and steady wins the race. Speak slowly, clearly. People understand and are patient.
Vocabulary is important too. I know words, but sometimes I can't recall them in the moment.
That's why real-life practice is gold. Don't just memorize, use the words. For example, describe your morning to yourself in English. I brushed my teeth, had coffee, and checked emails. Simple steps like this help your brain.
Or ordering food at a cafe, sending voice messages, chatting online, anything real.
Yes, mistakes are part of the process, and fear of accent very common.
Sometimes I stop talking because I think, oh no, they'll laugh at my accent.
Don't worry, your accent is part of you. People usually appreciate your effort. Small steps every day build confidence.
Like setting mini goals. Today, speak for 1 minute. Tomorrow, 2 minutes. Then 5.
Exactly. And try thinking in English, not translating. For example, when you see a cat, think, the cat is sleeping, instead of translating from your language.
Yep. And record yourself too. Listening to your voice helps notice mistakes and improvement.
Find speaking partners, friends, classmates, language exchanges. Even online chatting or voice messages count.
And consistency is key. A little practice every day beats a big session once a week.
Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at their own pace.
True. Patience is everything. Enjoy the process, laugh at mistakes, speak slowly, practice daily, set small goals, build confidence, don't worry about accent, think in English, use real-life situations.
Perfect summary, Jimmy. That's the recipe to speak English comfortably.
And remember, even native speakers make mistakes. We're all human.
Keep trying, speak slowly, enjoy the process, and have fun.
Thanks for listening. Mistakes are part of learning. Laugh, speak, repeat.
Bye, everyone. See you next time on English Every Day.